Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to take a look at the chart of the stock Peloton PTON and see where it's trading right now, where it was before, and whether it's offering any buy point or what is the right buy zone to buy it. So let's get into the video real quick. Before we go any further, this is our website and all the social media links are here. So when you get a chance, go and take a look at it. All the information what I share here are recorded over there as well. So let's take a look at this stock chart in a weekly setting. I like weekly setting because it reduces a lot of noise from the daily setting. So I like the weekly setting, and the two indicators I care about is only the 50-day moving average and the 200-day moving average, which is nothing but 10 weeks moving average and 50-week moving average in weekly setting. So this stock started trading around September last year. So it started the IPO base here and it broke out nicely, but it gave up that breakout and started drifting. And during this pandemic, even it hit really hard, then it started to bounce back and it regained its 50-day moving average right here, and it broke out nicely. Then it gave up some gain and it broke out again. So this would have been the first base and good entry point, and after that it broke out very nicely. Then it started drifting a little bit down. It came very close to test its 50-day moving average, but it didn't come that close enough to touch it. So regardless, like, it's consolidated for almost 5 weeks in this area, and the last 2 weeks, like, no, it wasn't really in the green, and the volume is like a little over than the average, which is not that bad, but it looks like it's broke out this week. So here is going to be your buy zone. So this stock is like now almost in a first base or the second base, but it is still in the early stages, so it's worth now taking a shot at it. At least you can start with a small pilot buy, and where now it goes from here. So let's take a look at the website tracker. This was added today. In the tracker, the entry price was around 51.08, which is the closing price of today, and the maximum would be 53.63, and the stop loss is 46.99. Again, the stop loss is very, very important because these are unproven, looking forward-looking stocks. They may deliver super things in the future, but that the street is betting on it. So these are hyper growth stocks and very speculative growth stocks. So the stop loss is really, really important. So any reason if this guy goes down below this price, just cut it short and wait for the next entry, because these are hyper growth stocks. They go up and they fall like a rock. So you have to be very, very careful when playing with this kind of hyper growth stocks, because it is simply playing them with the fire. So just keep an eye on it, the stop loss, more than how the stock runs from this point onwards. So here is a small loss projection detail, profit loss projection details. So the stop loss is 46.99. So just get out anytime it hit this, and at least it should post 5% gain by July 9th, hopefully in 20 days. So it may have some firepower to run more, and it should post at least 20% gain by September 10th. So that is a small profit loss projection for you guys. Again, this stock is a hyper growth stock with very, very forward looking expectation. So get on it. If you want, do a quick pilot buy and see how things behave. You can always add it later, but keep an eye on the stop loss for sure. Okay, and then hopefully the stock will have some more room to run, because it's just in the initial stage of this breakout. So okay guys, so as of now, the PTON, the chart says it's a buy. So let's see how things goes from here, and hopefully it make a great run and we all make money. Okay guys, before you guys go, thank you for watching my video, and if you like this video, please subscribe and like, share and comment, and get to our social media sites and the stock groups. It's over 5,000 people out there. So ask question, and now we are trying to answer Again, good luck with your trading, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much.